There are more and more resources available online every day, as the internet is the largest database that's ever been compiled. One of the problems with this is that in projects and other things, students do not know how to properly cite information and can be caught stealing from others. This is something that we need to crack down on and need to teach kids how to do at a young age as teachers. We need to teach them what to cite and what not to cite, and also how to cite and how to do it properly, to make sure that they're not violating any rules and that they're giving credit where credit is due. That's what's most important. Make sure those who actually did the work receive their credit.